All said and done, it's all great, but how does it work? So let me show you. As far as suction, performance, and power is concerned, I'm afraid there will be no surprises. This is one of the best-selling Miele models. It's always done very well. The trick is this though, this machine, because of the floor head it gets, both these models, the Nordic Blue and the S1 in Sunset Yellow, are really meant for spaces that have a lot of bare floors and flat rugs like this, like entry mats and flat area rugs. I am going to try a more plush carpet here as well, just to give you an idea how it does. I think it'll be okay. If you have pet hair, by the way, it's fine as long as the pet hair is on the low to moderate amounts and it's on bare floors mostly, okay? But let me show you how this works. There we go, we got a long cord, telescopic wand. Now, you turn on the machine, you don't have to bend over and do that, you can use your feet. But right now I have it on its maximum suction. Now the floor head you get is a combo tool. When you're using this on bare floors, brushes come out. So you push this backwards, brushes come out, and you go on bare floors. So let's see how we do here. Okay, you ready? Can you see this? Okay, I'm gonna go on the side. I mean, of course. Now, here's another thing. It's edge-to-edge cleaning. So, what that edge-to-edge cleaning means, it's going to cover all the dirt on the side, baseboards and things like that. For the flat carpets, you actually have a setting, which is your second suction setting, specifically for rugs. I'm going to put the machine there. You don't want to use maximum suction on flat rugs. This thing's too powerful. It's just going to be hard to push back and forth. So, we're going to reduce the suction here and try it on flat rugs. And we're changing the setting on the floor head from hard floors to rugs. When you switch it to rugs, the brushes retract. You're left with just a flat surface to slide and glide over a soft carpet. I'm having a hard time. It's still too powerful. So what I could do is release the air, and there we go. Okay? When a machine is too powerful for its own good, that's what happens. But the real test is if I have a more plush carpet, would I still be able to do this? Now, automatically I can tell you I'm not loving how that floor head is it's kind of getting stuck on this rug, so I'm going to reduce suction down to the minimum, which is meant for curtains, and see if we can still collect this. It's still, when you reduce the suction, it just becomes a lot easier to go back and forth. I mean, we did it, right? It's not really meant to work on this carpet, but it did. So there we go. As far as maneuverability and going under and around things, I mean, this floor head's been around for a very long time. It lays flat, so you can see here. Oh, let me change the floor head setting here. We can go under spots. Real nice and easy. You may drag you may drag things from the past you didn't want to see, but there we go. All right, so no, I mean, it's a very tried and tested floor head. Even the model, we know this model is great, as long as, again, the caveat is this: flat rugs, any hard floor, pet hair on bare floors, not on carpets, because this is not a dedicated carpet tool. Power wise, it's as powerful as it's gonna get.